Demonstration of portable ventilator machine. Accessories. When you received the device, the followings are included: its appearance and buttons, main unit and rack, pipeline connection, installation of oxygen battery, oxygen concentrator, calibration, display interface, operation, purchase now.